This Walmart's got it going on. Been looking for this, and look at that, it's even $10 off what it was online. Online it was $10 off, so it was $99, $89, and now $79. We'll buy it. Hey, welcome to This Trucking Life. We're buying an air fryer, $79. We'll see how many watts it is, 1,700 watts. And now let's look up the inverter to make sure it can handle that. We can only do 90%. There it is, 2,000 watts, pure sine wave, 90%, 1,800. So there it is. Let's open it up right now. So as you know, I like to cook in the truck, and this is way less messy than an electric skillet. Ugh, so let's go. We're also gonna cook in this video. Right now we're just gonna unpack and talk about it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. How cool, how cool. Yes, our inverters are completely fine to run these, by the way. And I will prove that later on in this video. Let's see, right away we got styrofoam. Okay, here we go. Inside. Ooh, look at this. I bet if I could open it. It's like a cookbook in here as well, I think. Alright, we've got the user manual. Quick reference guide. Cool, I threw something down. Shortcut sheet, we'll keep that up. Oh, we got a whole book of recipes right here. Lord. Anyways, so cooking bacon sucks. But in this, look. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Also, I don't cook chicken, but godly, look at steak. 8-minute steak, guys. And you can cook 2 in this. That's what I'm about. Oh, basically bacon and steaks probably will be cooking in here. Dude, you can bake a cake in here if you wanted to, but no, I'll be doing, well, some seafood as well. But yeah, this is exciting. This will speed up everything. I can, whenever I go to Walmart, whenever I go to the stores, oh, by the way, I'm a Walmart driver if you didn't know. Whenever I go to the stores, I always see these manager deals, you know what I mean? Because I'm at the stores at odd hours. And you'll get that big yellow sticker, guys. I could pick up super cheap meat and cook it on the spot, or, you know, cook it later on in the day. So this is big for me. Special shout out to the wife for letting me buy this. Also, with my employee discount, 10% off. It was already down to $79, so I ended up spending $69, and then it was $8 for a 2-year no questions asked warranty. So I got that as well, because you never know. So yeah, let's get this. All right, here she is in all her glory. Those are taped on. I guess just give it a good tug. Are you pushing like that? Oh wow, okay, we got more plastic. Look at all this stuff in here, y'all. Look at this. Nice little basket. Sorry, it's zoomed in. Oh, that's to elevate it. Cool. We'll keep all that in there for now. Cool, cool. All the controls are on the front here. I bet this is how you do it. Yeah. Check it out. All right. Maybe we'll cook something on this tonight. I don't know. And guys, hopefully this cuts down on the cooking time for one thing, but also the mess. I carry a lot of water and Dawn dish liquid, so I usually clean it out real quick. And that'll be a lot better than grease popping around everywhere in the truck and stuff. So let's fire it up. It is smart. It has some smart functions, including remote control. You can use the app for all kinds of these things. How awesome. I really like this page too, playing with presets. That just sounds like something I would do. You can adjust all the presets, by the way, but this shows you like the steak, ribeye, sirloin, filet, that kind of stuff, where to cook it at, how long, what kind of, you know. All right, also seen, I'm sorry it's so dark, right here, 5 inches above it and 5 inches behind it. That's no issue for the truck, so plenty of room. Here's some interesting stuff. I'm very excited, very excited. Look at some of these recipes though. I mean, probably not that. Mini pizza. Ew, tofu. Okay. Now we're talking. I don't know, there's just so much. So much. More playing with presets. It's my air fryer. Here we are. All right, you know I love the Instapot, right? Okay. First power on. That was my stomach. It said, "Oh God." Ha! Wow. Is there anything? Oh, no lights in there. Oh, it knows when it's open. Cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna use the app. Wangs. Nice. Right now it's drying. Pretty easy wash. We know non-stick is easy to wash the first couple times, right? This is next. Stay tuned. 5 seconds till bacon. 3, 2, 1. Bacon! Let's find out. Let's find out. I'm sorry, the lighting in here is horrible.
Yeah.
Okay, it needs to cook some more.
That looks disgusting.
Okay, so we cook more bacon. Also, I didn't preheat it, so maybe that was the problem.
Yeah.
Oops, press the wrong button. And we can adjust the presets so it'll bring it up higher or something. But yeah, we're gonna cook in another 8 minutes. We'll let you know. Okay, we're back. Let's find out. Now that is more like it. Let's investigate. Yeah, I would not call that done. 16 minutes. I didn't flip it or anything. Maybe I need to flip it. I don't know. I definitely should have separated it. Yep, that's a mess. Okay, note to self. Separate the bacon before cooking it. Should have known that. This is a little more crispy. And then this side. Oh, dang it. Alright. Okay, now we're going 350 for 8 minutes on bacon. Let's find out. There it is. That's what's up. That is what's up. I just had to crank the temperature up. So from now on, bacon needs to be 350. Look, it automatically switched to food. Focus enhancer on. Nice. That only looks yellow because my light's yellow. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good, guys. Oh, look at that piece. That's perfect. That concludes my review on whatever the heck that thing was. So, thumbs up. After cooking a pound of bacon and barbecue wings, it's not dirty inside. Quick wash in the sink. I was going to use the dishwasher, but I decided not to. Very easy. Highly recommend. Let's try it in the truck. Here we are in the truck. Frame rate always changing, so check it out. Different camera. Look at that. 3x. I don't know. Anyways, this is where it'll be. Listen, it's running 400 degrees. Barely even affecting this. So we are good to go, guys. I'm not gonna start the microwave or anything like that, but we do have the AC running. And yeah, we're doing great. Very proud. It works in the truck. So that's it. Guys, I gotta hit the road. We'll go on duty. I'm just getting a little quick snack. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this, go to Walmart. Go online, walmart.com. I'll try to post a link here. I'm not allowed to do any affiliate with Walmart since I work for them. I guess it's conflict of interest, unfortunately. Makes no sense to me. Yeah, go to Walmart. Sorry, I got beef jerky in my mouth. Go to Walmart. Sometimes these are on sale, man. Well, if you could see it better. It's awesome. Check out my other videos. I got the on sound bar. And then I also got this on TV. That's not really a review, but this international. It is a International LT 2022. I found out how to operate the I don't know, I showed you guys how to do some stuff. So check that out too. Check out my videos. Why not? You got nothing else to lose. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. If you want $5, I'll give you $5. All you got to do is click the link below where it says get $5 with Cash App. If you haven't used Cash App before, just download Cash App, using my link. We both get $5. I mean, what's better than free money, right? We use Cash App to move money around. It's really good if you have multiple accounts. You move money around for free. Also, they have a tax service, which is it's free. E-file and everything. It's a great thing. I don't think the e-file is free, but maybe federal is, but state's not. Whatever. Either way, it's great if you have a pretty easy tax return. Not a business return, obviously, but subscribe. And thank you for watching this Trucking Life. Next week on this Trucking Life. All right, so here we are in the truck. I got some meat. We will cook it. I think we'll do some bacon first. Why don't we do bacon first? Let's do bacon first. All right, let's see. 8 minutes at 3:50. And we are not there, guys. All right, guys. Well, this